Hello again, everyone. This is going to be basically a part 2 of a previous user intent detection video with NLP, but in this video we're going to use a large language model to see if we can identify the user intent. So let's just run through it. So I have just this text here, and this is just a bunch of different comments that users can make when we're just going to pull out one to test it out. So we're going to use the repair is taking too long. The second part of this we just have where we just wrapped them all together, and that's just a weighted compound call. So the intent we pulled out was the repair is taking too long is to express dissatisfaction or frustration with the duration of the repair process. We're going to do it again, but we're going to run this one through the compound call. Let me just go ahead and replace the new line character in the text that gets. Let's execute this and see what it says. And we're done. So you see the return here is, my food was cold upon arrival. The analysis is to complain about a poor dining experience. This is automatically going to be routed to a customer complaint or whatever the system is set up to be. Once again, that to me is a low-hanging fruit with regards to what you can apply or how intent detection can be applied. There are numerous other use cases, and that's all going to be dependent upon your specific need or your specific business case. This has been intent detection using a large language model by FalconsAI 125.